Hello friends, I'm back with a super recipe, butter chicken. It is also called murg makhani. Murg is chicken, makhani is buttery. So anything buttery is called makhani, like paneer makhani, dal makhani, etc. It's a very world famous dish. Here are the ingredients required for marination of the chicken: yogurt, garam masala, turmeric powder, pepper powder, corn flour, chili powder, Kashmiri chili powder, kasuri methi. Here I have taken boneless chicken, about 1 pound, small pieces, about an inch, 2 tablespoons of yogurt, this is a dish loved by everyone. Here I am taking garam masala, salt, pepper powder and turmeric powder, these are all about 1 teaspoon, chili powder 1 teaspoon, ginger garlic paste about 2 tablespoons, Kashmiri red chili powder about 1 tablespoon, coriander powder about 1 teaspoon, corn flour about 2 tablespoons. This is kasuri methi, dried fenugreek leaves. These are used to flavor Indian dishes. It adds to the flavor and the taste. So you just crush it and add to the dish. So this is about 1 teaspoon. Juice of half a lemon. And that is all is needed. Mainly the dish requires yogurt to marinate it. So I'm just going to mix everything and keep it overnight for marination. Give it a good mix so that all the ingredients are incorporated in the chicken pieces. You can also marinate it just for 1 hour, but if you keep it overnight, it gives the best results. So I'm going to keep it overnight. Close it with the lid and keep it overnight. This dish is similar to the chicken tikka masala. Only difference is it is slightly sweeter in taste and less spicy than chicken tikka masala. Next day I am taking some oil and mixing it, also adding some garam masala, fresh, so it enhances the taste, and also some chicken tandoori masala. So we are going to cook it as a tandoor. You can also grill it, but I am just going to do it in a pan. You can do it on a tawa or a girdle. Anyway, you can just cook it. So I am doing it in a pan, normal pan. So here I am in a pan, I am taking some oil. The oil I am using is peanut oil. You can use any type of oil which the Indians use, sesame oil or coconut oil or even butter. but please avoid using olive oil because it doesn't add to the taste or the flavor. So Indian dishes are not flavorful when you use olive oil. So I'm using the peanut oil here, but if you are allergic you can just skip it and use your olive oil. Sesame oil also is best for this. Mustard oil also is good. So this dish has lots of butter in it. That is why it is called butter chicken. So the texture is creamy, heavy. You can also add full cream. So I'm just adding half and half. So if you want it very rich, you can add the whole fresh cream. So just cook this chicken slightly. As soon as you see the layer, a brown layer on the chicken, you can stop cooking. You can see the chicken has turned golden brown, so I'm just taking it out now, and I'll be giving it a smoky texture by using a tandoor. You can use a tandoor or just give some smoke to it so that it appears grilled, or it gives a smoky flavor. So I'm just adding some coal in a cup and allowing it to burn, and when it produces the smoke, I'm just allowing it inside the cooking pan with the chicken, so that all the chicken gets the smoky flavor. It enhances the final dish. You can see I'm just opening to show it to you. So here we just start making the dish now. In a pan I have taken some butter. You need to add some extra butter here because the dish name is butter chicken, so butter is used in plentiful. This dish was originated in India, in Delhi. So I'm adding 2 chopped medium-sized onions. This dish uses tomato paste, ginger garlic, yogurt, butter and some masalas. So here I am cooking the onions. It has to turn limp. You cook it till then. Here are some ginger pieces and 1 green chili split. The onions are cooked. Now I am adding the tomatoes. I have added about 5 to 6 tomatoes, finely chopped. We just cook them a little, saute it nicely till it becomes mushy, and then we need to make it into a paste. You can see the tomatoes are turned mushy. Now I am adding some cashew nuts. These are raw cashew nut, about a handful, to make the gravy or more creamy and give it a nice texture. So after that I'll take it in a plate and allow it to cool. Then I'm adding this to a grinder and getting it into a paste. Mix all the ingredients: ginger, garlic, green chilies, tomato and onions, cashew, and a little salt. So here, this is the final preparation of the dish. To the same pan I am adding about 2 tablespoons of butter, unsalted butter. To this I add some garam masalas whole, 2-3 cloves, bay leaf, cardamom, cinnamon, and fennel seeds. These are the whole masalas I am adding. Chicken tikka masala is a spicy dish and makes the use of tomato paste. This dish usually uses yogurt, butter, and tomatoes, and it is slightly on the sweeter side. I am adding a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and saute it till we remove the rawness of the ginger garlic. Now I am adding the paste which we had sauteed and ground, the tomato and the onions. So add it to the pan and keep sauteing till the butter comes off on the sides. The butter will leave the gravy. I am adding some salt accordingly. So the salt you can add according to your taste. So you can see the murg makhani or the butter chicken is an easy dish to prepare. It can be done quickly. This I am adding half and half, about half a cup of half and half. You can also add fresh whole milk, whole cream. That will make the dish even more creamier and rich. So in my home this is preferred. We don't want it very rich, so I'm just adding half and half. And you can see I'm adding the smoked chicken pieces to it and cook it for about 15 to 20 minutes till all the gravy enters the chicken pieces and the chicken pieces become juicy and soft. This butter chicken is enjoyed with basmati rice or pulao or naan or roti. It's a very, very famous dish and enjoyed by each and everyone. Even the kids love it. Here my neighbors, the Americans, they love it. So we are also doing some catering service. So here I am adding some chopped coriander leaves or cilantro leaves. So now the dish is almost done. The butter is leaving the sides, leaving the gravy. It is done now, and I am taking it in a serving dish. The chicken is soft, chewy, and it's incorporated in the gravy, so it becomes a very, very tasty dish along with the cream and the yogurt and the garam masalas. So to make it a little sweeter, I am just adding 1 teaspoon of honey. This is optional. If you don't need, you just avoid it. And on top of it, add some fresh cream. Also some chopped coriander and some ginger juliennes. This is how you serve it. You can serve it with rice, basmati rice, jeera rice, or naan or roti, or Indian bread, Indian tortilla as it is called. Hope you enjoyed this dish and just cook it at your home. Enjoy with your friends. And please motivate my channel. Support it by sharing, subscribing and liking this video. And I will see you in the next video with chicken tikka masala. I'm planning to do that. Hope you like this dish. Thank you all for watching. Please do subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends and family. Here I am serving it packing it in for catering. You can see some salad, naan, basmati rice and butter chicken. This is how we cater. Thank you all for watching.